beautiful people, is a girl part and Yaba. So my daughter have been having this catarrh that I've refused to go. So today we'll be doing grandma homemade catarrh syrup. So we'll be doing syrup for her catarrh, and these are the things we'll be needing. This is the lemon, this is the honey, this is the olive oil, this is the ginger, garlic, onion. This is the full onion, and this is the one we cut out, and these are the graters because we are going to grate them. So basically you just grate the amount you need out. You grate everything, the onion, the ginger, garlic, so you extract the juice of the lime. You do this to extract it. If you don't have this, basically you use your hand. This is the juice I extracted from the lemon. So you now put the ginger, the onion, and the garlic. Now stir it together. I'm supposed to do this in the pot, but so you put your mixture inside the pot. I'm actually using all this honey because they're actually small. They are not that much. So this is the honey.
What does it mean?
You put your honey, then you put a little bit of your olive oil. Just a little. I'm not putting plenty. You stir it together and you put it on the fire for some minutes. Just the liquid you need. So our cough syrup is ready. Just give her 1 spoon or 2 spoons, and voila, this is going to last for like 2 or 3 days. So do well, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Catarrh. So guys, subscribe. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.